The way you close out the year can set the stage for your team's success in the year ahead. Are you closing the loop on your projects effectively? Today we'll talk about why wrapping up projects isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building momentum and learning for the future. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step process to wrap up your projects and start the new year strong. Why does it even matter that we wrap up our projects as we wrap up the year? Why can't we all just relax a bit, enjoy our time off, and come back recharged? We should absolutely enjoy ourselves and come back refreshed, but it's also hard to really relax with open items still hanging over our heads. At least for me it is. Wrapping up projects prevents unfinished tasks from carrying over and hindering next year's goals. Proper closure boosts team morale and creates a sense of accomplishment. Learning from completed projects ensures continuous improvement. Research shows 70% of high-performing teams report that reviewing projects as they close them out leads to improved outcomes in future projects. So here are your 5 steps to wrap up this year's projects effectively. First, conduct a final review. Review the project's objectives and deliverables to assess whether you truly met your goals. Also, identify successes and any gaps between expected and actual outcomes. Studies show that post-project reviews reduce failure rates in subsequent projects by 35%. Second, you want to capture lessons learned. Document lessons learned and encourage team members to share in their insights. An easy way to do this is if your team is remote, is to create a shared lessons learned document, or if you're all together, conduct a lessons learned meeting. Sharing lessons doesn't just build morale and camaraderie, but also fosters a culture of innovation and growth. Third, we want to celebrate achievements. Now is a great time to recognize our team and individuals for going above and beyond. Highlight and celebrate the team's accomplishment to reinforce positive behaviors. You can do this by creating a video showcasing not just what the team did, but the impact it had on the organization. It's a great way to show everyone on the team how they contributed to the big picture. Research shows recognition boosts productivity and engagement by up to 20%. Step 4, archive the project. Organize and archive all documents and key deliverables for future reference. If you need to use a project management tool to store relevant files and notes, go ahead and do that. Last, set the stage for next year. Use insights from the completed project to set and update your goals for next year. This is also a great time to make sure the team goals are aligned with organizational priorities for the new year. Studies show that teams with clear, aligned goals are 2.5 times more likely to meet their objectives. Closing the loop on projects is about more than just tying up loose ends. It's about celebrating achievements, learning from the past, and preparing for the future. With these steps, you can ensure your team is ready to hit the ground running in the new year. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who can use it. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our leadership and project management tips. Comment below with one project you're excited to wrap up for this year. If one of your goals next year is to up your leadership game, check out our online Be the Boss You Always Wish You Had program to take control of your own training and development. The link will be at the end of this video and in the episode description. Also, if you're watching and have a bunch of managers that you want to train at once, we have our 4-month Leadership Academy training program that builds innovative and accountable leaders to bring your company into the future. The link is also in the episode description. Thanks for watching. Go out there, do great things. Onward and upward.